Well-designed joints are crucial for the structural integrity and performance in engineering. This video explores efficient mechanical connections for extruded profiles, showcasing innovative designs that eliminate the need for traditional fasteners. First, we examine profile-to-profile joints. A typical method involves creating a groove and tongue to connect two profiles longitudinally, which enhances strength and stability. These profiles can be securely locked using methods like lock screws, plastic deformation with a hammer blow, or screws at the ends, ensuring a rigid connection without traditional bolts. This figure shows a brilliant design where connection grooves can also be used for washers or bolt heads. In this case, the two profiles constitute a socket which is used for locking the parts and for mounting an ending fitting. The figure shows that joining is also possible by using a separate, smaller profile that is cut into short lengths and used for locking. This connecting method takes advantage of the workability of aluminium. Two profiles is locked together by pressing intermittently or along the entire length. This gives a permanent connection. This figure shows a connection when two aluminium profiles rolled together. Several decorative elements connected together with separate parts. Here it is shown how material is saved by using a separate profile, cut into smaller lengths, as reinforcement for screws. The elevation on the profile is placed so that the bolt, if fixed in its position, which simplifies assembly. Assembly is simplified if the screw is fastened to the part in manufacturing stage. Next, we shift focus to snap joints. Characterized by their elasticity and design simplicity, snap joints provide fast assembly without the need for attachments, drastically reducing manufacturing time. These joints are designed based on their intended functionality. For instance, some snap joints allow for disassembly with a screwdriver, while others ensure a permanent bond, suitable for applications such as truck panels. If the connection is to be opened and closed often, the elastic profile should be replaced by another material such as plastic clip with regards to fatigue. And finally, about corner blocks. Corner blocks are used in corner joints that demand strength and stiffness. The block itself, which can be cast, or as in most cases a profile cut into short lengths, is fastened by pressing or by screws into both profiles. In frames and other light structures, the corner blocks consist of a pressed steel angle. The Sapie joint is an example of a corner joint. The width of the joint profile can be cut to fit a hollow section regardless of its width. This figure shows miter joints. Miter joints are a common method of producing corners in frames where the same profile is used in 3 or 4 sides. It is possible to bend the profile once. Repeated bending will cause the material to crack. Thanks for watching.